Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Grade 4 Mathematics. So, today's lesson is about conversion of lengths. So, that means we're going to convert centimeters to meters or meters to kilometers and so on. So, after this lesson, you should know how to convert millimeter to centimeter or centimeter to millimeter, how to convert centimeters to meters or meters to centimeters, and how to convert meters to kilometers or kilometers to meters. Now, I've got this very easy system you can use or diagram that you're going to use. And I want to show you on the whiteboard. When you're sitting in class or somewhere and you have to convert, write this down on your paper. Because sometimes we get so confused between millimeters and kilometers and all the steps in between that we get stuck. So this will help you to remember the method that you can use to convert. This is something you have to study. We did in the previous lesson as well, where we said 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters and so on. So you can go through this. But now I want to show you how do we convert millimeters to centimeters and so on. Now remember I said, draw this for yourself. So how do I draw this? You go from the greatest or the largest, if it's in a value of 1 kilometer, 1 centimeter and so on, from the largest unit to the smallest. So it's first kilometers, then meters, then centimeters, and then millimeters. So from the largest to the smallest unit. And now we jump. Think of a little bunny that's jumping. And these arrows tell you how do I get from kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter. Now I know that there is 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer times 1,000 will give me 1,000 meters. Now meter to centimeter times 100, because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. And then from centimeter to millimeter, I times with 10. Okay, but now I know when I get 20 millimeters, it will become 2 centimeters. So now I start to divide. But now the bunny is jumping again. So draw in your arrows. And now I use division. Divided by 10, divided by 100, and divided by 1,000. Now remember in term 1, we did division of multiples of 10, 100, and so on. And we did multiplication as well. And that's going to help you with converting lengths. So let's start. So we have 30 millimeters. And I have to convert it to centimeters. Now, what do I have? Millimeters. What do I need? Centimeters. So what is the calculation I am going to use? It's division. Divide by 10. Now, when I divide multiples of 10, I take the zeros away. So 3 divided by 1 will give me 3 centimeters. And now you're probably sitting there and thinking, can it be really that easy? Yes, boys and girls, this is how easy it can be if you write this system down for you. If you write this on your paper and you can use this and look at it to help you, it will help you, it will assist you a lot. Now let's look at kilometer to meters. Now immediately I know when we look at place value, this is my ones, this is my tens, this is my hundreds, and this is my thousands. Can you see that the value of kilometers is standing at thousands? Let's say we've got 13 meters and I want to change it to centimeters. Now, I've got meters and I want to go to centimeters. What do? Look at the arrow, follow the arrow, times 100. Now I know if I multiply with a multiple of 100, what do? I add the 2 zeros. So it will be 1,300 centimeters. Let's do another one. I'm going to give you a number and you have to convert by yourself. So pause the lesson and see if you can do this by yourself. I have 4,000 centimeters, and I want to convert it to meters. Now immediately I go to centimeters, and I've got meters. So I'm going from centimeter to meter, so I divide by 100. Again, division with multiples. I've got 1, 2 zeros, I've got 1, 2 zeros, so my answer will be 40 meters. And that's how easy it is, boys and girls. Go and practice this. If you want to test your answer, you can use a calculator to make sure you've got the right answer. And remember to write this little system down for you because it will help you a lot. Goodbye, boys and girls.